ChatGPT is a language model developed by OpenAI, based on the GPT 3.5 architecture. GPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer, and it represents the third iteration of OpenAI's language models. The chat in ChatGPT signifies its intended use for conversational or chat-based applications. Here's a thorough elaboration of ChatGPT. Generative Pre-trained Transformer, GPT. GPT is a type of deep learning model that belongs to the family of transformer architectures. Transformers have gained significant popularity due to their ability to handle sequential data, such as text, more effectively. They use attention mechanisms to capture dependencies between words in a sentence, making them well-suited for various natural language processing, NLP, tasks. Pre-training. The pre-training phase involves training the model on a large dataset from the Internet, which helps the model learn the statistical properties of natural language. In the case of GPT 3.5, it has been trained on an enormous corpus of diverse text, totaling hundreds of gigabytes. This vast amount of data allows the model to learn grammar, context, and factual information, enabling it to generate coherent and contextually relevant responses. Transfer learning. ChatGPT benefits from transfer learning, where knowledge learned from pre-training is transferred to a specific task. After the pre-training phase, the model is fine-tuned on more specific datasets or tasks to enhance its performance in chat-based applications. Conversational AI. ChatGPT is designed to engage in conversations with users. It can understand natural language queries and generate appropriate responses, making it suitable for a wide range of conversational tasks, such as customer support, virtual assistants, tutoring, and more. Multi-turn context. One of the strengths of GPT 3.5 is its ability to maintain context across multiple turns of a conversation. It can remember previous interactions and generate responses that are contextually relevant to the ongoing conversation, leading to more coherent and sensible conversations. Challenges. Despite its impressive capabilities, ChatGPT has some limitations. It can sometimes produce plausible-sounding but incorrect or nonsensical answers, as it lacks true comprehension and reasoning abilities. Additionally, it may not always ask clarifying questions when faced with ambiguous queries and instead guess the user's intention. Ethical considerations. As with any AI model, there are ethical concerns related to the use of ChatGPT. Issues such as biased responses, offensive language, and spreading misinformation are important challenges that need to be addressed when deploying the model in real-world applications. API integration. OpenAI has provided an API for developers to integrate ChatGPT into their own applications, products, or services. This allows developers to leverage the power of the model without having to train it from scratch. Continuous improvement. OpenAI continually updates and refines its models based on user feedback and ongoing research. Therefore, over time, ChatGPT's performance and capabilities are expected to improve. Overall, ChatGPT is an impressive language model that showcases the current state-of-the-art in natural language processing and demonstrates the potential for conversational AI in various real-world applications. However, it's essential to use such models responsibly, ensuring they are employed in ways that uphold ethical standards and prioritize user safety. Keep in mind that developments in AI and NLP are rapid, and new advancements may have occurred since then. Improved performance. Future iterations of language models like ChatGPT are likely to see significant improvements in performance. As AI researchers and engineers fine-tune the models, they can address existing limitations and make them more accurate, coherent, and contextually aware. This could lead to more reliable and useful conversational AI systems. Better comprehension and reasoning. Current language models excel in pattern recognition and generating text based on context, but they lack genuine comprehension and reasoning abilities. Future research may focus on incorporating external knowledge bases and developing models capable of more advanced reasoning to produce more accurate and nuanced responses. Reduced bias and ethical considerations. Addressing bias in AI systems is an ongoing challenge. Future iterations of ChatGPT are expected to integrate fairness and bias reduction techniques to minimize the propagation of biased or harmful content in responses. Continued attention to ethical considerations and guidelines will be crucial in the development and deployment of AI systems. Interactive learning and few-shot learning. Future models might be designed to learn and adapt more efficiently from user interactions. Interactive learning could enable the model to improve rapidly based on feedback from users. Few-shot learning, where the model can perform new tasks with minimal examples, could make it more versatile and adaptable to diverse scenarios. Customization and personalization. There might be advancements in allowing users to customize the behavior and personality of the AI according to their preferences. Personalized AI agents could enhance user engagement and satisfaction, making the interaction more meaningful and enjoyable. Multilingual and multimodal support. Future iterations could become more proficient in understanding and generating content in multiple languages. Additionally, integrating multimodal capabilities, such as understanding images and videos along with text, could open up new possibilities for AI applications. Narrow AI applications. While large language models like ChatGPT are impressive, there might also be developments in creating more specialized narrow AI systems that excel in specific domains. Such domain-specific AI agents could provide more accurate and focused assistance in targeted applications. Continued integration and adoption. As AI models like ChatGPT improve and become more accessible, their integration into various industries and applications will likely continue to grow. From customer service to education and creative writing, the potential applications of conversational AI are vast. AI regulations and governance. As AI models become more powerful and pervasive, there will likely be increased attention to AI regulations and governance. Striking a balance between innovation and responsible use of AI will be crucial for ensuring the technology benefits society while avoiding potential risks. It's essential to recognize that the future of ChatGPT and similar models depends on ongoing research, ethical considerations, and societal discussions. The responsible development and deployment of AI technology are vital to harness its potential for positive impacts. AI language model comes with its own set of advantages and disadvantages. Here are some of the key pros and cons of ChatGPT. Pros. Natural language interaction. ChatGPT enables natural language interactions, making it easy for users to communicate with AI systems without the need to learn specific commands or formats. This makes it more user-friendly and accessible. Wide range of applications. ChatGPT's versatility allows it to be applied to various domains, such as customer support, virtual assistants, content creation, language translation, tutoring, and more, making it useful in a wide range of scenarios. Contextual understanding. The model can maintain context across multiple turns of a conversation, leading to more coherent and contextually relevant responses. This enhances the overall conversational experience. Rapid development. Developers can integrate ChatGPT into their applications using OpenAI's API, saving time and resources that would otherwise be required to build an AI language model from scratch. Continual improvement. As ChatGPT is based on transfer learning, it can benefit from continuous updates and refinements from OpenAI based on user feedback and ongoing research, leading to improved performance over time. Availability. The API makes ChatGPT accessible for developers to incorporate into their own applications and services without needing extensive AI expertise. Cons. Lack of genuine comprehension. While ChatGPT can generate contextually relevant responses, it lacks genuine comprehension and reasoning abilities. It may sometimes produce plausible-sounding but incorrect or nonsensical answers. Ethical concerns. There are ethical considerations related to the use of ChatGPT. It may inadvertently generate biased or offensive content, and there's a risk of malicious use to spread misinformation or manipulate users. Dependency on training data. ChatGPT's responses are based on the data it was trained on, which may include biased or controversial content from the internet. This can lead to biased responses that reinforce existing stereotypes. Limitations in handling ambiguity. ChatGPT may not always ask clarifying questions when faced with ambiguous queries, potentially leading to inaccurate or unintended responses. Data privacy concerns. Depending on the application and data provided, there may be privacy concerns related to user data and interactions. Cost and resource intensive. Training and running large language models like ChatGPT can be computationally expensive and require significant computing resources, which may limit its accessibility for some developers. Overgeneration of content. In some cases, ChatGPT might produce responses that are excessively verbose or off-topic, which can impact the quality of conversations. In summary, ChatGPT offers powerful language generation capabilities and can be harnessed for various applications. However, it is essential to be aware of its limitations and potential risks, especially concerning bias, ethics, and privacy, to ensure responsible and beneficial use of this technology. As AI research advances, efforts to address these challenges are likely to continue, leading to more refined and responsible AI language models in the future.